Today I'm going to answer the 7 most common questions we get asked by international students and professionals looking for a job in the UK. What's up guys, it's Mike from Job Read English, here to provide the best source of information for international students and professionals who want to work in the UK. Welcome to the New Look channel and to our new studio. The coat is on because the studio is a little bit chilly this morning. Sorry that we haven't put out any new content for you guys recently. We've been super busy doing so many exciting things and we're really looking forward to serving you in 2022. So to kick off the new look for the channel and the fact that we're really just going to be concentrating on the issues, comments, concerns and questions from international students in particular who want to work in the UK, I wanted to take the time to answer the 7 most common questions that we get asked by international students. Question 7, can I work part-time in the UK as a study? Of course you can, and your university will tell you that. You can work 20 hours a week during term time and full-time in your school holidays, and that's definitely something to look out for, that a job where you can be getting some relevant experience. And for me, most of all, if you can be putting the skills that you're learning in university into practice, never be ashamed of the job that you do. Very often I speak to students and they're like, oh, I don't want to put that on my CV because I'm a waiter or I worked at Starbucks. Look, my first job was cooking burgers at KFC, and I'm really proud of that because it taught me about turning up on time, working as part of a team, being disciplined, learning the value of money, and also dealing with adversity and conflict with some people who could be very difficult. And I am very proud to share that with you and with anybody else who listen. I will never be ashamed of the fact that I have a remorseless immigrant work ethic, and I think that's something that I would encourage you to have as well. Just think about what you're doing, how you're doing it, and whether it can serve a dual purpose, i.e. to improve your English, to put your skills into practice, to learn from a super valuable person, to gain experience. Don't, if you can, do a job just for the sake of doing a job. I think there is quite a lot of opportunities out there for students, and if you can't do something, volunteer, join a society and do something which serves a due purpose. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that we're also going to be chopping it up, so we've got each of the individual questions there to ask. We're going to be coming at you over the next coming weeks and months and answering every question that you have. If there's a question that I've missed or a comment that you want to make, please drop it down below. Help us to become the biggest and best source of information for international students in the UK. And I will see you on the other side. Bye.